How to mute someone on Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to mute someone on Snapchat. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Snapchat app on your phone. And once you have opened it, simply tap on the chat icon shown in the bottom left corner of the screen. And once you are in your chat section, simply find the person that you want to mute and tap on it. And once you are in their chat section, simply tap on the profile name at the top. And after tapping on that, you'll be prompted to their profile section. Once you are there, simply tap on the three dot icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And from the pop-up menu, simply select Chat and Notification Settings. And now after that, you can see the option labeled as Notification Settings. So simply tap on that. And after that, here you will see the two options, that is mute chats and mute calls. So simply toggle on both options. And after you have toggled it on, you won't receive notification when this person sends you a message or calls you on Snapchat. And that's it. That's how you can mute someone on Snapchat. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.